Join me as I challenge myself to have an entire conversation in English without pausing or stumbling. Let's see how much I can improve my speaking skills in just one session. To master English, speaking practice is key. It's not just about understanding grammar or memorizing vocabulary. It's about being able to express yourself smoothly and confidently in conversations. In this video, I'll share some practical tips and resources to help you improve your English speaking skills. One of the biggest hurdles learners face is the fear of making mistakes. It's natural to worry about saying something wrong, but the truth is, mistakes are a crucial part of the learning process. Another challenge is the lack of opportunities to practice speaking. You might know a lot of theory, but without chances to apply it in real-life conversations, it's hard to improve. Many learners also struggle with self-consciousness when speaking. They might feel like they're being judged or that their accent isn't perfect, but the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with your own voice. And then there's the issue of finding people to talk to. If you don't have friends who speak English or live in an English-speaking environment, it can be tough to find practice partners. Language learning can be lonely, but it doesn't have to be. There are many online communities and resources that can connect you with fellow learners or native speakers. So, what can you do to practice speaking effectively? One great option is language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk. These apps match you with native speakers who want to learn your language, and you can chat with them in English. Online courses can also be really helpful. Websites like Coursera or Udemy offer courses that focus on speaking and pronunciation. And if you're looking for something more interactive, consider joining a speaking club. These clubs often have regular meetups where you can practice speaking with others in a supportive environment. I've seen many people improve their speaking skills dramatically by using these resources. For example, one learner I know started using a language exchange app and practiced speaking for just 10 minutes every day. Over time, her confidence grew and she found herself speaking more fluently. Another technique that works is shadowing. This involves listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say. It can help you improve your pronunciation and intonation. Some learners also find it helpful to record themselves speaking and listen to the recordings to identify areas for improvement. I'd like to share a personal success story. When I was learning English, I used to be terrified of speaking in front of others. But then I discovered a speaking club in my city. Joining that club was a game changer for me. I practiced speaking every week, and my confidence grew rapidly. The club provided a supportive environment where I could make mistakes without fear of judgment. Over time, I noticed significant improvement in my speaking skills. I became more fluent and confident in my ability to express myself. To recap, improving your English speaking skills takes practice, but it's definitely achievable. We've discussed common challenges, effective techniques, and resources to help you get started. If you're serious about improving your speaking skills, I encourage you to pick one technique or resource from this video and start using it today. Consistency is key. Even a few minutes of practice each day can make a big difference over time. If you have a favorite speaking practice method, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you're interested in more tips on language learning, be sure to check out my next video on fluency strategies. Subscribe for daily motivation and self-improvement videos.